in this beginner's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock your cells here in Google Sheets. So if you have a set of data that you want to protect or that you don't want anyone else touching, especially when you're collaborating with someone else or working on a spreadsheet with someone else, this is the best way for you to protect your data. So first, I have this example. I have the employee name, department, project, start date, hours worked, and performance rating. So the part of my data that I want to protect or to lock would be this part right here. So I don't want anyone touching these anymore. So what I'm going to do to lock these cells would be to select them like so. Then I'm just going to right click and go to the bottom of my options where you will see view more cell actions. On the left or right side, you will see more options of what you can do with your cells. And one of them would be to protect your range. So if you select the bottom option right here, you will have your protected sheets and ranges panel open here on the right side. So now we can enter a description or a title for this protected or locked cells. And what we're going to enter would be fixed hours and ratings. There you have it. So I have everything in caps. That's totally up to you what you want to name this protected sheet or range. Then you can set your permissions here at the bottom right corner. Once you've done that, you have your range editing permissions. So we have two options right here. We have first, show a warning when editing this range. So what happens with this part right here would be if that person tries to edit that part, they will only be shown a warning. They will still be able to edit that, but have a warning before they do so. Next option, restrict who can edit this range. So here we can customize the people who can edit this range. Since I have this file already shared with somebody else, what I'm going to do is to uncheck their name right here. There you have it. So this is my email. I'm the only one who will be able to edit this part. So if I click on done, changes have now been officially saved. So if my coworker or my collaborator would try and open this same file and try to edit this part, let me open another tab. So here we have the same file. If I try and open or edit these parts right here, if I double click on it, it will tell me that you are trying to edit a protected cell or object. Please contact the spreadsheet owner to remove protection if you need to edit. So basically, it's telling me that no, I cannot edit this part. So even if I double click on that, it will do or say the same thing. So nobody else will be able to edit that part of your spreadsheet without your permission or without you knowing about it. And there you have it. If you're a beginner trying to figure out how to protect your cells or lock your cells, that's the easiest way to do it. Again, all you have to do is to select that range, right click, go to the very bottom until you see your view more cell actions, select protect range, and you can enter your description right here and set your permissions. If you still need extra help with sheets, I do have a free guide that is linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this beginner's tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.